What is this? Oh, this is Tikvenik. What is Tikvenik is pumpkin banitsa. What is banitsa? Oh, you mean banitsa. Banitsa is Bulgarian pastry made with phyllo dough. And pumpkin banitsa implies that this is banitsa or phyllo dough pastry made with pumpkin filling. This particular one has some pumpkin, some cinnamon. Want to learn how to make this? I will show you. It's how my grandma showed me many years ago. Now I'll show you. At the end of each recipe video, I share a baking secret. So stick around. To make tikvenik or pumpkin banitsa, you need very few ingredients. Phyllo dough. For pumpkin, I didn't quite get a sweet pumpkin. Instead, I got honey nut squash. It's supposed to be really good, so we'll see. I tried butternut and it wasn't the best, so I keep trying different ones. It's still called pumpkin banitsa. And banitsa is just something made with phyllo dough. And this is a Bulgarian recipe, so there you have it. But really, just sugar, cinnamon, oil, squash, pumpkin, walnuts, and a little bit for dusting, powdered sugar. We'll start with the walnuts. This is pretty good. Didn't take long. All right, I set it ready then for the squash. We're going to use this to grate it. I wash them because they're kind of dusty, and we're gonna wanna peel them before we cut them. So that's what I'll do. And I'll try to peel them in the sink for ease. There we go. Oh, I already like the color of the squash. So I peeled the squash. I'm going to cut it now. Oh, I really love that color. Excellent, excellent. There are seeds. I need my spoon to get them out. I'm not going to save them. I'm going to throw them away. I'm sure there's a tool for this, but I don't have it, and I'm not going to special buy it. So I make this recipe about twice a year. And one time is November 1st, which is when my grandma passed away. And she was famous for making this tikvenik, and it was the best. Hers was the best. So this is why it's Desi Van Etten's family's favorite recipes, because everybody loved her tikvenik or pumpkin banitsa. So to commemorate her, I would make for sure pumpkin banitsa on November 1st, and then I would make it, of course, for the holidays. Okay, will it fit? Yes, fits. All right, here we go. Fun, fun, fun. Perfect. I love doing this. Okay, let's see how much did we yield. Would that be enough, or do I have to peel and cut the other one as well? Oh, excellent. Look at this. We can see my hands are already getting pretty orangey here. I'm going to scrape this with the back of my knife. Not sure if this is enough. Let's see. All right, let's add our cinnamon. Sugar. Okay, let's stir it. That would be our filling. Yeah, I think we're good on the cinnamon. I don't want it too dark or too overwhelming. I think the sugar's just enough too. I can just tell by the way it looks, the mixture, if it's right or not. And if I need to add more squash or pumpkin or more walnuts or more sugar or more cinnamon. All right, this is excellent. We want it fairly mixed up. Turn on the oven to preheat. So I just pour oil in a bowl like this. And then I'm going to use this little number here. We'll do a little bit of oiling of the sheet, baking sheet. Okay. All right, we set this aside. We keep the, now we have our phyllo dough. Okay. I guess that's my garbage now. Okay. We are going to me. My grandma's not here. It's just me now. And this is why I'm doing these videos, to pass on my grandma's recipes and the memory of her. Okay, so I'm going to have a working surface, and for that I use this little number. And now I'm going to show you the technique. Watch carefully and rewatch if needed. I have 2 more to fill up for this batch anyways. All right, sometimes the phyllo is sticky, but it's good that it's still soft and pliable. It's not good when it dries out. I have to work fast so it doesn't dry up. It's starting to dry up here in a corner. Not a big deal, but a little bit harder to work with that. It's just too, I'm fast, but it's too dry here where I live, so. Okay, we put the filling in one corner like so. I'll put a little bit more. Okay, I like this. Then we fold it once over, brush with oil again. All right, fold the upper 1/3 over, brush again with oil. All right, I love this brush. It's old and faithful. I tried replacing it. The other ones weren't working as well. And then you just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And there we go. Perfect. Okay, one more. I will have for a second batch, but I'm gonna put that one in the oven pretty soon. Okay, so brush the sheet, the phyllo sheet, with oil. Woo! All right, there goes that one. Not a big deal, we got plenty of phyllo dough here. Okay, we put this in the middle right corner. All right, a little bit more. Okay, oh, I have just enough for one more. Can I squeeze one more? Maybe I will. We'll see how that will go. Fold it, brush. Okay, fold it, the top one over. Okay, brush. Oil, oil, oil. Okay, and then roll. Rock and roll, rock and roll. All right. There's this baby all rolled up. Okay, let's see. I really want to do one more. Oh, maybe I'll do a different one. I'll roll it differently. And very sticky. Okay, not a big deal. Phyllo dough is very forgiving. Okay. And now, before I stick it in the oven, I've preheated the oven to 400 because the pumpkin I have not cooked ahead of time. So it needs a little bit extra heat in the beginning so it can cook better. I will reduce the heat after the first several minutes, maybe like after the first 5 to 7 minutes. And then it will cook, it will bake for 10-15 more minutes at 350. So 5 to 7 minutes at 400 and 15 minutes, 15 at 350. And it should be done, but we'll check it. Yes, so finally I'm oiling the top. So everything is nice and oiled. So it's not going to burn, but it's going to cook really nicely. Okay, let's put it in the oven. All right, I'll give it 7 minutes. My pumpkin banitsa is ready. Look at it, it looks delicious. I will let it cool off completely before I dust it with some powdered sugar and I serve it to my loved ones. My Tikvenik, my pumpkin banitsa, is done. It's cooled off, it still looks great. It's ready to be dusted with some powdered sugar and served. It looks delicious. I can't wait to taste it. This is very amateur style. It's better to have a shaker for that powder sugar, but that's okay, you get the idea, right? Would you like to taste it? Huh? Okay, I will try it. Crunchy. The pumpkin is really creamy and cooked all the way. I barely can taste the walnuts. They're kind of softened. And it's not too sweet. So more powdered sugar if you like it sweeter, and less powdered sugar. So you can control the sweetness if you don't like it too sweet. Oh, but this is delicious. Oh. Look at that. And now for the secret for this video. The one secret that I always tell you at the end of each video. Okay, but it's a different one. Today, it's about one of those ingredients in there, cinnamon. My fellow Americans and those who live and purchase cinnamon in the regular American stores. What they call cinnamon, it's not a very good cinnamon. Cinnamon is made from different variations of the cinnamon plant. And the cassia one is what we get in just the regular one. The healthier and better tasting one, more expensive, but again, healthier and better tasting one, is the Ceylon or Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon, from Ceylon. Thank God we don't need too much of cinnamon. So I like to splurge and be healthy. For everything, you've seen me, I put the Ceylon cinnamon in, and it tastes amazing. So you can too. If you make this little recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you love baking with pumpkin, check out my pumpkin eggnog pie, cream pie recipe, another video. And also check my pumpkin bread video. That's always a winner. If you like this recipe, please like this video. For more recipes from Desi Van Etten's family's favorites, please subscribe to this channel. Blessed are those who bake for others. Love you.